Namaskar and you're watching The Awaaz. This is Charu Kaushik with you. Let's have a look on today's Uttarakhand News Bulletin. There has been devastation in Chamoli district of Uttarakhand due to cloudburst incident in the early hours of Monday. Around 7 huts of Border Roads Organisation workers were washed away in the cloudburst incident at Narayan Bagar in the district. CM Pushkar Singh Dhami also took cognizance of the incident. He said that local administration is carrying out relief and rescue operations. No one was injured in the cloudburst incident. CM Dhami tweeted and wrote, "Sad information has been received about cloudburst in Panti village of Chamoli district. The local administration is engaged in relief and rescue work. According to the information, due to cloudburst in the upper part of Panti town of Narayan Bagar at around 6 am on Monday morning, the flood in Mangrigad has caused huge destruction. Please note that there was no loss of life or property in this accident. 19 families of laborers have been rendered homeless by the floods. Debris has entered a shop there." Today, BJP's Jan Ashirwad rally started from Makhanpur. Along with uniting the BJP workers to the rally, the public was informed about the development works. CM Dhami announced various public welfare schemes during the Jan Ashirwad rally. The CM said that the road from village Dadapatti to Jinwari Heri would be constructed using interlocking ties. Spaltization of the road from village Iqbalpur to Bhalwagas via village Suniti will be done. The workers showered flowers and fireworks to welcome the Jan Ashirwad Yatra. In Uttarakhand, Arvind Kejriwal tried to attract the unemployed youth of the state to the party by promising to provide employment to the youth under the second guarantee of the AAP party. Arvind Kejriwal said if this party forms the government in the state, the 1 lakh jobs will be given in 6 months. Arvind Kejriwal attended the Tricolour rally, but before the rally reached Ramlila Maidan, he left of the movement. The enthusiasm of people from outside state continues regarding Uttarakhand Char Dham Yatra. On Monday, 300 passengers left from Sonprayag for Kedarnath Dham. At the same time, passengers from Bangalore have left in a private bus from Rishikesh. 76 passengers reached Yamunotri Dham till noon on Monday. On the second day of Char Dham Yatra since Sunday morning, there was a lot of movement of devotees in Kedarnath. By 4 pm, 536 devotees had seen Baba Kedar in the Dham. At the same time, 800 devotees had left for Dham from Sonprayag till 5 pm. Let us tell you that 4 months have passed since the door of Char Dham were opened, after which the devotees have been allowed to go for a journey from Saturday. Char Dham Yatra has started from Saturday. In this sequence, the process of people coming from the state and outside state is going on. Char Dham Yatris may also have to face bad weather apart from road hindrances. Due to the high hills and light snowfall in the Char Dham region, the weather can also become cold. The meteorological department has forecast that there is a possibility of rain almost every day in the coming week. At the same time, the weather changed in Dehradun in the afternoon and it started raining. Under the Chandrabhaga bridge, some loader operators had parked their loaders at the night in the temporary parking set up by the administration. The water level of Chandrabhaga river suddenly increased between 400 am and around 6 am on Monday due to the heavy rain that occurred late on Sunday. The loaders parked on the banks of the river got stuck due to the rise in the water level. On getting the information, some loader operators pulled their loaders out with the help of other vehicles. Some waited for the water to recede. The water worked after 6 am, after which the loader operators heaved a sigh of relief. Thank you and keep watching The Awaaz for the latest updates.
Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.